This is CNN.
Arias is on suicide watch in a psychiatric ward right now with doctors and nurses watching over her 24/7. Our legal guys are back. Avery Friedman in Cleveland and Richard Herman in Las Vegas. The next phase in Arias' first-degree murder case is on hold until next week. She was convicted Wednesday, and shortly after that, she said she'd rather die than be sentenced to life in prison for murdering her ex-boyfriend. Listen.
I said years ago that I'd rather get death than life, and that still is true today. I believe death is the ultimate freedom, so I'd rather just have my freedom as soon as I can get it.
So you're saying you actually prefer getting the death penalty to being in prison for life?
Yes.
So the next step is what's called the aggravation phase of the case. Richard, what happens in that part?
Like, Allison, as if everyone's not aggravated enough with this case. What's going to happen now is on Wednesday, they're going to come to court, very brief, one day maybe, to put on evidence to show that the manner in which the murder was committed was a cruel and heinous type of situation. Now, all you have to do is remember the summation of the prosecutor, who I thought bullied and whined his way through the case, but yet had his shining moment in summation when he told the jury what happened when this Travis was killed, how he was knifed and he struggled and he went to the sink and she kept sticking him with knives and then she cut his throat and then she shot him. It's a no-brainer. There's going to be a conviction. The jury's going to all agree it was aggravated, and then we move on to the death penalty phase.
Her attorneys have asked anyone who's giving a victim's impact statement in the penalty phase that they do it on video, not in court. What is this all about, Richard?
What happens is the family gets to get up there and say what the impact of Travis Alexander's death has had on them. It is devastating, Allison. It is absolutely devastating. And as a defense attorney, you sit there and you're paralyzed, and the judge, you just see the judge getting upset, and the jury's going to get upset.
That's right.
It's just horrible.
That's right.
Just horrible. It's not going to be on video. This case will be live on TV. HLN will be covering it, and we're going to be watching it. It's very bad. It looks bleak for her.